Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. I'm Kimberly Castillo, and we'll be discussing all about enterprise application. An enterprise application is certainly not only the Angry Birds, Candy Crush, or Pokemon Go you might be imagining. Given the ubiquity of apps circling around us, many may be fairly uncertain what an enterprise application is, let alone how and why it's used. Today's businesses, both large and small, are faced with a ton of challenges that might prevent them from running as smoothly and efficiently as possible. Whether it be encouraging effective amounts of communication, managing a balanced financial structure, or accessing and hiring qualified talent. Establishing processes that attack these hurdles head-on is easier said than done. Like an individual might download an app on their smartphone to help them solve personal challenges, like creating a schedule, establishing a financial budget, or navigating a new city. Enterprise applications aim to do the same for a business or organization. Enterprise applications are defined as being designed to integrate computer systems that run all phases of an enterprise operations to facilitate cooperation and coordination of work across the enterprise. For example, an enterprise application can bring together different aspects of an enterprise, such as accounting, human resources, finances, and inventory. Enterprise applications are offered as a helpful tool to assist businesses with the many obstacles they face today. Many people describe an ERP system as the brain of the organization. An ERP system takes all the different parts of a business, digitizes them, and creates networks between them. In particular, an ERP system can integrate an organization's financial information. Without an integrated system, individual departments such as finance, sales, and so on need to rely on separate systems, each of which will likely have different revenue and expense numbers. Using an ERP ensures all members of the organization are working from the same core records and up-to-date information. One of the major perks of an ERP system is that it can integrate other enterprise applications like CRM, supply chain management, or inventory management. Implementing an ERP system can drastically clean up the way larger organizations operate by making activities and workflows more cohesive and transparent. They also offer important insights that can help identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies and improve planning for the future. A supply chain consists of a network organizations and facilities that work in tandem to transform raw materials into finished and customer-ready products. A supply chain management system is an inter-organizational solution that manages these activities from beginning to end. While there are many different types of supply chain management software that each focus on certain functions, there are also comprehensive supply chain management systems. These SCM systems help companies manage a variety of supply chain processes, such as procurement, planning, product or service creation, order fulfillment, order tracking, order management. These functions shouldn't be isolated to in-house teams. Rather, the SCM platform must be accessible across the supply chain, encompassing every stakeholder including suppliers, manufacturers, wholesalers, transportation providers, logistics managers, and retailers. This ensures that everyone has visibility into the product or service as it moves along the production chain. By gaining better oversight into these processes, companies can expedite delivery, improve the customer experience, and achieve supply chain cost reduction. SCM functionality can also be found with many ERP systems. ERP versus SCM is an important concept to understand before software selection. Today, sales professionals can be extremely busy, and at times a potential client can slip through their fingers without notice. Unless organizations hire sales representatives with superhuman level organizational and memory skills, there will be times sales reps will let communication dwindle, possibly missing opportunities to close a deal, upsell, cross-sell, or pitch new products to existing customers. However, a CRM system can give sales teams a valuable outlook into where they are with each client, while simultaneously pulling together customer contact information and details about previous communication. A PCM puts it, customer relationship management software is a contact list with a brain. Many CRM systems include features such as workflow automation, role-based user access, email integration and tracking, and reporting. And lastly, a knowledge management system is any kind of IT system that stores and retrieves knowledge to improve understanding, collaboration, and process alignment. Knowledge management system can exist within an organization or teams, but they can also be used to center your knowledge base for your users or customers. Clearly, this is a broad definition, and rightfully so. This latter definition is what we'll talk about in this guide. How to build a knowledge management system or a knowledge base to improve the customer experience and help customers achieve success using your products or services. The meaning of knowledge management system, while broad in use, can be narrowed to the following purpose: to help people utilize knowledge to better achieve tasks. When you look at it like this, you can reframe it as a more proactive form of customer success. You can also answer customers' questions in real time as they are struggling with their challenges instead of constantly answering the same questions in your support ticketing system. There are many types of knowledge management systems, but they all share some common characteristics. These include frequently asked question content, forum or community feature, how-to articles and tutorials, education, academies and training programs, certificates, case studies, and webinars. And that would be all about enterprise application. Now let's proceed to the next topic to be discussed by one of my group mates, which is all about e-business, e-commerce, and e-government.